Live Oak Brewing Company has teamed up with Encompass Technologies to bring you a new way to purchase beer for your business, thanks to the incredible power of DSDLink. With DSDLink you can browse our products, create an order, pre-order seasonals, view past invoices. You can do all of this and more. With DSDLink you'll be able to order Live Oak beers and have time for the important things in life, like watching the sunset. To start using DSDLink for your business, please visit liveoakbrewing.com.